Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren, this is my husband Keegan, and today he's going to show you how he made us some delicious patty melts. Let's go. So the first thing he did was take about a pound of ground beef and add in a tablespoon each of gochugaru, garlic sriracha, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then he mixed those up really well with his hands. And then to a dry hot pan, so no extra oil, he's adding the first two patties, just kind of, hand rolling them and flattening them out. And he cooked those for a couple minutes until they were nice and crispy and brown on both sides. Kind of smashing them as he goes. And then he added a couple slices of Colby Jack cheese on top and stuck the lid on to help it melt better. Then he took those out and added the next two patties and repeated the process. While those were cooking, he got a white onion and sliced it. We like to have, caramelized onions with our burgers and things. He usually slices them up and puts them in the pan before the meat, and then the meat just kind of cooks on top, and it makes it so good. Today, it was kind of an afterthought, so he stuck it in, but it turned out so delicious. So again, he's adding cheese, he's taking out the done patties and letting the onion just kind of cook down a little bit more. Then he's adding hamburger buns with the porous side down, so they're going to be kind of backwards. Normally you'd use just sliced bread, but we had hamburger buns and we're going to use them up. So he stuck the patties on top, added the next bun, flipped them over, and let the onions continue cooking while the bottom of the bread browned and caramelized. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. You have to try it. To the onions, he added a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Let those kind of finish cooking, and then he went ahead and stuck them on each patty melt. Here they are. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.